Hello, assalamu alaikum to all viewers and dear students. Once again, Makbul Islam is in front of you. We have a new topic: construction of confidence interval for the difference of two population means. Let's restart for the construction of confidence interval. To construct confidence interval for the differences of two population means, that is mu1 and mu2. So first of all, we are required here Caro for the normal standardized normal variables 0 minus z alpha by 2 and z alpha by 2. This is alpha by 2, this is minus alpha by 2, and this is 1 minus alpha. This area is minus 1 minus alpha confidence coefficients. So we are applying here probability of minus z less than or equal to z less than or equal to z alpha by 2 and z alpha by 2 is equal to 1 minus alpha. So 1 minus alpha is called confidence coefficient. Here the difference of two means required z is equal to actually x1 bar minus x2 bar minus mu1 minus mu2 divided by sigma 1 square divided by n1 plus sigma 2 square divided by n2 square root. If we are applying here in the place of z standardized normal variable difference of two means, so probability of minus z alpha by 2 less than or equal to z x1 minus x2 bar minus mu1 minus mu2 divided by sigma 1 square divided by n1 plus sigma 2 square divided by n2 under root less than or equal to z alpha by 2 is equal to 1 minus alpha. Now denominator are multiplied within the brackets left side and right side of the interval. So we will get here probability of minus z alpha by 2 sigma 1 square divided by n1 plus sigma 2 square divided by n2 square root less than or equal to, here is remaining x1 bar minus x2 bar minus mu1 mu2 less than or equal to z alpha by 2 sigma 1 square divided by n1 plus sigma 2 square divided by n2 square root is equal to 1 minus alpha. Probability of x1 bar minus x2 bar, if we subtract minus z alpha by 2 sigma 1 square divided by n1 plus sigma 2 square divided by n2 less than or equal to, here the term is minus and plus both are cancelled, so minus mu1 minus mu2 less than or equal to minus x1 bar minus x2 bar z alpha by 2 plus here is z alpha by 2 plus alpha by 2 sigma 1 square divided by n1 plus sigma 2 square divided by n2 square root is equal to 1 minus alpha. Now multiplying both sides by minus 1 within the brackets. So the sign of inequality is also changed. Multiplying both sides, multiplying by minus 1 within the brackets. So what is the result? The result becomes here probability of minus minus plus x1 minus x2 bar. Here is plus z alpha by 2 sigma 1 square divided by n1 plus sigma 2 square divided by n2 under root. So inequality exchange will be multiplied by minus negative sign. So mu1 minus mu2 greater than or equal to, here is minus is changed into positive x1 minus x2 bar, and here is plus we change multiply by minus 1. So this is also changed z alpha by 2 sigma 1 square divided by n1 sigma 2 square n2 under root is equal to 1 minus alpha. Now term, so this limit are changed here to the lower and this term is changed to the upper. So probability of x1 bar minus x2 bar. So this sign is changed here, minus z alpha by 2 sigma 1 square divided by n1 plus sigma 2 square divided by n2 under root less than or equal to mu1 minus mu2 less than or equal to x1 minus x2 bar. So this will be negative, this will be, if we change, so x1 x2 minus z alpha by 2 and here plus z alpha by 2 sigma 1 square divided by n1 plus sigma 2 square divided by n2 under root is equal to 1 minus alpha, which is the required result for the confidence interval. Or we can write this term r x1 minus x2 bar plus minus z alpha by 2 sigma 1 square divided by n1 plus sigma 2 square divided by n2 square root, which is the required confidence interval for the difference of two means with sigma 1 and sigma 2 are known, and also sample size n1 and 2 are greater than 30. If sample size in 1 and 2 are less than 30 and sigma 1 and sigma 2 are also known, then we are also use Z distribution. So if sigma 1 and sigma 2 are unknown and the sample size are also greater than 30, so in the place of sigma 1 and sigma 2 we are using this formula, sample size plus minus z alpha by 2, and sigma is unknown and sigma 2 are unknown but sample size are greater than 30, so we also use in the place of sigma 1 square s1 square divided by n1 s2 square divided by n2 in case of sample size in 1 and 2 are greater than 30 and sigma 2 are unknown, then we are using confidence interval. The difference are two means. So this formula is used. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe my channel.